What you cooking, Roach?
What ya cooking, Roach?
What's up, guys, and welcome to my channel, What You Cooking, Roach. Alright, and for those that are new to my channel, welcome. I appreciate the love. Thanks for checking me out. Alright, so please consider subscribing and also leave a comment, and then I'll take that thumbs up too. Alright, thanks. Alright, so let's get started here. Now, we're going to make some chicken tacos today. Alright, we're going to show y'all how we're going to do this. Alright, now, I have a whole roasted chicken from Sam's Club. You can get your roasted chicken done from any of your local grocery stores. Alright, we got some cilantro, and we got some of this tomatillo sauce that we're going to mix in with our chicken. Alright, but first, I'm going to show y'all how I make my corn shells. Okay, now, I like to make my own hard shells from time to time, and this is how I do it. All right, just gonna take one single shell, and you're gonna get you some pan or with some oil. You want to get it hot and have enough so it'll cover the bottom of this corn shell when I start to fold it over. Okay, so you want to kind of keep it in there and keep it crisp. All right, so you want to fold it over like so, and then just give it a couple of seconds, and it'll start to crisp and stay bent. All right. That's what you want it to stay bent, all right? So you're gonna flip it over, and now that's how we're gonna put these tongs in between here, and it's gonna hold the bottom piece down into the grease there a little bit, okay? So it can crisp, and just kind of flip it back and forth till you get it nice and crispy, all right? And then just gonna let it drain. Now, I don't do too many of these because it's a lot. It's a lot to do it, so you gotta have some patience. You might even burn yourself a little bit, but you'll be all right, okay? Now, you wanna grill you some shells. Easy, you know, just put a little oil in there and just flip them. You're gonna need two so they can stick together, because you just got one, taco gonna fall apart. All right, trust me. So now let's get over here and get this chicken shredded up. Now, I cut a piece of that wing off. I was hungry, y'all. It was good too. But anyway, we're gonna use this other part here to put the bones in, okay? And then we're gonna use the black pan that has all the nice juices in it, as you can see. Get them juices. Ooh, that's some good chicken broth. All right, now I'm gonna tear this leg off real quick and get started shredding. All right, now I keep my skin on my chicken when I shred it. Okay, and just gives it more flavor, more flavor, more flavor. Ain't nothing wrong with flavor train. Woo, woo. That's silly. I heard somebody say that. And anyway, now in this carcass of this chicken, there's what they call a wishbone. See that? See what I'm taking out? And now my grandmother would take those out of the chicken and then dry it out, and then we could make a wish out of it. So I've been carrying that tradition for quite some time, since, you know, years. So we're gonna do that, and I'm gonna make a wish with my son. All right? Magic of TV, it's been dried out. Now, the point of this is the person who gets the larger part is supposed to have their wish is gonna come true. The one that got the smaller break had a bad break, and their wish is not gonna come true. I don't know how true that is, but it's a myth. Anyway, so I'm going through this chicken because there's sometimes these little rubbery little pieces like this, and I don't think nobody would ever notice. But anyway, I've mixed all that up. Okay, so now we're gonna add that tangy tomatillo sauce in here. Now that's some pretty good sauce. It actually tastes like taco sauce to me, but it got a nice little zing to it. It's got a little heat too, got a little citrusy taste to it. I like it. I think I'm gonna try it again. All right. They also got a Jamaican jerk sauce, taco sauce, but I don't know. I ain't no big fan of no jerk taco. I've never had one, but whatever. Do you? So I go in and I use this whole jar. Let me sample this again. See, it's good. I like this. I'm gonna be eating this again. Okay. All right, y'all. So we're about ready. Now we're gonna get these tacos together. I'm gonna show you how to make Roach's chicken tacos. All right, let's do that. Now, the first thing I do here with this hard shell is I'm gonna put some cheese down in the bottom of it. All right, now you can buy the store-bought shells and do this the same way. You just put them in the oven. I'm just gonna put mine in the microwave for a couple of seconds until my cheese is melted. All right, so you see what I'm doing there? Put as much of cheese in there as you want. All right, now I'm gonna put that in the microwave for about a couple seconds till it's melted. You know, just keep an eye on it. Don't be walking away. You burn that shell up in there and catch fire. All right, now I got this old janky tripod. Go back to my professional when I'm too lazy. But anyway, so you see that, all right? It's melted. Now what we're gonna do here is we're gonna put some of this chicken in between here, all right? Can't have a dang chicken taco without chicken, all right? And so we'll put that in there more. It is really smelling good, you guys. It's really, really good sauce. You must try it. I'll put it in the description, so if you might want to try it out, okay? Now, put that chicken in there. Now, I'm going to add some more cheese on top of mine. Yeah, more cheese, more better. I'm so silly. I'm going to put that back in the microwave and melt that for a couple seconds, all right? Now, we're going to put some cilantro and onion. I like cilantro and onion on my tacos. I heard people say it tastes like or smell like soap, but I don't see that. It smells like onion and cilantro leaves to me. All right, so I'm just going to put a little bit of that on there. Now, doesn't that look gorgeous? That's a beautiful chicken taco. I'm hungry. I'm ready to get started here. Wow, amazing. I'm telling you, get you a couple of these, you'll be straight. Now, I got some sauce here. I make my own taco sauce too. And we're just going to put a little drizzle of that on there. All right. Now, the sounds I'm getting ready to make after I eat this taco, I don't know where they came from. I'm sorry. I'm warning. Thanks for watching, you guys, and please consider subscribing. Again, thanks for watching What You Cooking, Roach. Bye-bye.